Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data analysis. Love the data visualization basics in our video series. So today we'll be just looking at how to add or how to change the name of legends while using qplot. So for this we'll be taking the same example from our first video where I showed you how to use qplot for plotting. So as always, install the package, call it. So we'll be using the inbuilt dataset called the trees. So as you know, it has 3 columns with girth, height and volume. So last time we just plotted it and we got something like this, right? So let's say we want to change the name of the girth here to something like G. For that we can use the scale underscore color underscore continuous function. So imagine the data is not continuous, you can just change this to discrete and it will work. So let's run this code. So now you see that the girth has been changed to G. Similar way we can actually change the size name as well. So let's say we want to change it to H. Now it's changed to H here, see? So yeah, just play with this part as well as this part for changing the legends while using qplot. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Ciao.